Okay, so just before we end this, so since it's almost the end of the year, we have seen so many amazing films throughout the year. So, if I had to ask you to pick three of your top Malayalam films that you've seen this year, which would be yours?
Oh,
Wow.
you know,
The Great
actually,
Indian
I'm. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
That is for sure the Great Indian Kitchen. Oh my God. Can we do top five? I have too many good good films to talk about, I feel. Uh Joji would definitely be there on the list. Anyway, I love the story of Macbeth, so a great adaptation of that story makes me very, very happy. So Joji for sure. Minnal Murli, come on, of course, no doubts about it. And okay, for top three, I would choose right away these three, like in the top of, because these three film names came on the top of my head. So that's my bias over there.
So you can have like two
Okay.
other special mentions.
Special mention. Oh man, there are too many.
I think you're
special
forgetting. I think you're forgetting some.
I'm forgetting some. It's not like I know I want to say those movie names, but I'm not remembering.
Okay, so
And some movies like, oh, did they come this year?
That's what actually, you know what, Mona, you're right. I'm thinking, did this come in 2020, 2021? I'm a little confused.
It's all a blur.
let Nona give his answers until you think.
Actually, I'll save it because I'm actually making a
I'll
video
open my playlist. I'll open my
about
review
it.
playlist.
My top movies of the year, so I'll save it for that. But I think I already made, like, on the half year I made a video of top 10, and I think Joji, of course, The Great Indian Kitchen, I have said it millions of times now, is one of my favorite films of the year in a decade. Then I think Joji's out there, and Nayat. I think Nayat you're forgetting, right,
Oh,
Ashmita?
yes. Oh man, yeah.
Yeah,
Whew, what a movie.
I
And
think
let's see where Meena Mulli stands.
I think all of us had
So
very.
Minnal Murli still would be top. Let's put Minnal Murli and Nayattu together. Yes.
Okay,
I
so
want all the four movies.
let me throw in a couple.
I'll save mine for my video.
No, but you have already at least given us a couple of.
I'll still make a video.
But I'll throw in a couple of names. What about Kurudi and hashtag Home and Malik? So what about these three?
Yeah, those movies are also nice, but like in
I
terms
would
of overall enjoyment and impact, I would still choose like the ones I
say
mentioned.
top 10 maybe. Maybe, yeah,
These will
maybe.
all come in top 10. If I make a top 10, then whatever you mentioned, all these movies come in. It's just the preference, basically.
Okay, and now slightly easier question: top three performances of the year. Then
Man, just
Wow,
too
this is
many.
more difficult. This is not the easier
Like,
question. This is a more difficult question. Nona will start.
I would say, considering the amount of work and great work they did, I think Fahad stands out, Tovino stands out, Nimisha Sajayan stands out. Uh, what else?
so these guys,
Yeah, I think
in any specific movies or just the kind of work they did across the movies this year?
The work, I think, in
yeah.
terms of the overall work.
So I think we don't do this. We did it only for a year this year. The award
award.
function we do. And I think in January we'll do it again. I think this time we are planning to have a separate category for best actor and best performances. So in best actor, we'll have actors who have done multiple good performances throughout the year. So we can at least address appreciate more people in that sense.
Correct.
And Ashmita, if you had to pick a couple of names, like the most memorable, out of top of your head.
Firth for sure. I mean, not because he's my favorite, but I mean, there's a reason why he's my favorite, because he's incredible. Just see Malik
you talk to Parvati. Who knows? Fahad is coming soon.
Oh, please. I wish it happens. Dude, that'll be my dream come true. But I would also mention Prithvi Raj for Kuruti. That is something like that kind of negative shade was something that I did not expect from him. So he really made me forget in that movie that he was Prithvi Raj. So I think he did that role really well. Nimisha is Oh my god, one of my absolute top performers this year. Nimisha is killing it, man.
I think I would pick Suraj because what he did in Kane Kane was very impressive, as always, and also he was there in the Great Indian Kitchen, of course, not as meaty a role as Nimisha's, but still, what he was asked to do, he did it with flying colors. And of course, Ashmita and me share the mutual love for Fahad. And for me, I think as a musician, if you had to ask me, I think Minnal Murli's music stands out for me because as we just discussed, not just the songs, but how to use the songs to take the narrative forward and to place it. And I think more important than putting background music or song on a scene, it's more important to know where to keep silence, where not to put music. I think that's the trickier part. So that way, I think they got their selections bang on. And yeah, so once again, I think we are nearly at the end of this discussion. Just I think 4 minutes left or something like that. So, any particular message you guys would like to give to the viewers of this channel, because you guys definitely have done this for a longer time than I have, and I'm relatively newer to this. So, what would you like to say? Not just Malayalam movie watchers, but in cinema watchers in general.
Start with the senior most, Nona.
What senior most?
Senior
You are
most in the game.
senior.
Senior most in the game.
No, man. I think you should definitely subscribe to this channel. Great content, great discussion coming out, and I would tell you that you're doing a great job, and thanks for inviting me. I'm sorry, you asked me a lot of times and I'm unable to make it. But again, thanks for having me here, and it was a great session. And I think everyone just enjoy. You have the pleasure, you have the what do you say, the luxury of watching movies at a time like this. So just enjoy it and have fun in life.
And also like a great year for cinema lovers 2021 had been because of so much of content to consume on OTT, and now with theaters opening for us also, so with theaters opening now, you have to make more time to go out, travel to and fro, and then couple of hours in the theater. So that way you have to manage time even more judiciously now to make all this content for the channel. So Ashmita, your parting thoughts?
Parting thoughts. Number one, listen to Palke. Stream Keshav's song Palke.
Nice.
It's a nice song.
Nice plug-in.
Nice song. Yes.
But anyway, once again, thank you so much, both of you. Guys, please go check out both of these channels if by chance any of you still don't know them. And if you are new here coming from their channel, then please hit the subscribe and like button if you find the content worthy enough. So thank you, and we'll see you